Hi there, I'm Matt. I'm going to quickly run through how to give certain employees access to different spaces. And to start off, we're going to show you how to go over an assigned seat for an employee. Firstly, you're going to go all the way over to the settings sidebar right here. And then on top, you see space settings. And while we're here, let's just say we want to give someone assigned seating only to desk number 6. So we're going to click on that, and then there's an employee desk toggle option right there. So when you select that, you then have the ability to give an employee an assigned seat. So let's give Anthony Bayer this seat right here, and done. So as you can see right now, I'm still able to click on it, but when you go over to the floor plan, it's going to be grayed out, and you don't have access to booking that space unless you're Anthony. So going over to the next section, we're going to show how to give a certain space access to a department or a team. And as you can see, there are already a few listed right here. So how you would even give these are, firstly, you go to, so let's use this user right here, Matt B. And you click on the edit section. And right here, you're able to list what department they are, as well as what team they're a part of. And with that, going back over to the settings section and going back over to space settings, or sorry, you firstly go to spaces. And when you're here, you're allowed to make a specific space. So there's already one for San Francisco in this environment. So as you can click right there, it gives you the name, the type of meet, and type of room that it is. But then you also can give only certain permission to a specific department. And that also applies to a team. So if I said I only wanted people in the lavender team to be able to book this room, then I would select that, click edit, and going over to edit floor plan, let's make sure that the space is occupied with San Francisco. So these are all the different rooms, and we'll show you that in a different video. But when we're done there, I'm going to click floor plan. And now I shouldn't have access to book this space because I'm not part of Lavender. And that's how you set permissions for specific employees as well as guests. Thanks.